Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this mini seminar, these speakers will have a discuss about the biggest earthquake in Indonesia. Before we get to know with these speakers, let me introduce myself. My name is Hafiz Akbar Afisena, and I will lead you from the beginning to the end of this mini seminar. Now it's time to get to know with these speakers. The first one, Mr. Han, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Han. I'm a disaster lecturer from UII, and I'm interested to discuss this disaster in this mini seminar.
Okay, the next one, Mr. Tio.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Habis. Hello, I'm Tio. I'm founder of PT Putrastia.
Now it's your turn, Mr. Afan.
Hello, I am the chairman of Basarnas in Aceh. I also help many victims of this disaster. One of them is also with us here.
Wow, you have a great experience about disaster, Mr. Afan. Now we have a disaster expert here, Mr. Ojan. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Ozan. I am the chairman of BMKG Aceh. Over the year, I have handled many disaster matters. Thank you, Mr. Apis.
Wow, you had a lot of experience of it. By the way, Indonesia had a lot of experience of disaster. For an example, the biggest earthquake that occurred in Indonesia is in Aceh with 9.3 magnitude. And we have one of the survivors of that incident here. Please introduce yourself, Mr. Dap.
Yes, sir. I am one of the survivors of this disaster. My name is Dava. I remember that disaster was very terrible, and some of my family were also victim of the disaster.
We're really sorry for what happened to you and your family, Mr. Dap. Can you please tell us
Thank you.
about what happened that day?
I remember that morning on December 26, 204, an earthquake with 9.3 magnitude was lived. The earthquake was lived for 10 minutes and began to destroy the building. And not long for after that, a very large tsunami also came.
After we hearing what was conveyed by Mr. Dava, what is your response as a lecturer in UEE, Mr. Han?
So, I have taught basic knowledge about disaster science to my students at the Indonesian Islamic University. And one of the causes of tsunamis is earthquakes. The tsunami that occurred in Aceh was caused by a shift in plates centered in the Indian Ocean at a depth of about 10 kilometers on the seabed.
Okay. And is there any other opinion from Mr. Rojan about what has been taught by Mr. Han? Mr. Rojan, your microphone.
Sorry, Mr. Apis. Sorry, Mr. Apis.
Not a problem, Mr.
Hmm. I would like to add a little from what Mr. Han has been said. That Aceh earthquake was included of the third largest earthquake in the world. The casualties exceed 218,000 lives, not only in Aceh. The earthquake also caused tsunami in 40 countries, and the earthquake released energy equivalent to more than 150 times the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Thank you, Mr.
Oh,
Apis.
yes. I also learned new things now. And we move to Mr. Afan. After evacuating all the victims, how much the total of non-survivors in that disaster?
Okay, according to the data, I got the number of victims who did not survive was 227,000 people. When I went straight to the scene, I was very concerned to see what had happened. Everything was destroyed. Victims who survived this disaster, like Mr. Dapa, I think it's a miracle because it seems very impossible to survive in this disaster like that.
Okay. Thank you for the data that you provided, Mr. Fan. How about you, Mr. Tio? As a founder of PT Putra Setya that makes a lot of earthquake-resistant materials, what do you think about this?
Yes. Why are all the building flatteners? It because ordinarily people think that the most important this thing is that the building is standing without looking at the aspect of strength and earthquake resistance. Even though if the earthquake was that big, it what can really be possible to minimize the direct collapse of the building. Residents can save themselves freeze or and also some of the hosts still have wooden on seat.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tio, for all your explain about us to us. Sorry, and all the speaker have given their respective opinions in this mini seminar. It means we have reached the end of this mini seminar. Thank you for all your attention from the beginning till the end. See you on the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.